Greetings, everyone. I'm Bill Jewett, also known as the Fly Tying Santa, and today I'm going to answer a question. A couple days ago I did a video on storage and some hacks you can use. One of the questions I got was, what do you do when you have to go to shows and that? How do you transport your stuff? So let me turn the camera around here and I'll show you exactly what I take, usually every time. Okay, let's start out. That shoebox tote, I know people that'll show up and the only thing they'll have is their vise in one of those and their materials in another. They're perfectly happy. I use a pack out. Back this out a little bit. In here, it's enough space for my light, my mat, my name placard, and pretty much anything I need to take that's large. With that, I use this and the big one there. And with this, the nice thing is you can take these out if you need more space. All of them come out. And that's the same in that one there. And the nice thing about this setup is look at the latches on this thing. They're not cheap plastic. But as you can see too, I've got my decorations all over them. So also what I do is when I go to a show or even to teach, that's my Norvise. It comes in its own, I have it in its own bag. That way everything's protected. In there I also carry my bobbins, spools for the bobbins. So moving on, here we go. So this is where all my big pike and muskie and saltwater flies go. I'll take that with me to the show and I'll open it up, and I have a jeweler's rack that I will go ahead and use for it. You can use one of those if you want to carry all your thread in, and I use one of these to put flies in for sale when I'm going to shows and that. So feel free to ask any questions and contact me. I'm more than glad to help anyone, and if I don't know the answer, I will find it. I won't give you a lie. I'll find out. I'll work until I find it. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share and subscribe.